Okay, so I'm gonna show first the SQL app. So let's go ahead and run the app, and we'll just hit a refresh. And okay, here we are. Let's start by showing. So right now we have no user. So if we try to log in now, we'll get an error. So let's go to sign up to create a user. Let's enter this is fine, and let's enter a password. And right now we'll hit sign up, and we see it says please check your email to confirm your account, and we see we just got an email. And before we hit confirm email, I just want to show in our table, if we see select verified from user, we see that we have a user but it's not verified yet. And in fact, if we try to log in, we see that invite email, or okay, because I put a wrong password. But if I were to put the right password, it would say that please verify your account before logging in. So let's go ahead and confirm the email. And now that our account has been verified, we can proceed, and we'll enter our password. Just before, I want to show if we were to sign up again with the same email but different password, we would get a warning that says email is already in use, so we cannot use the email more than once. So let's go ahead, now that we verify, let's go ahead and log in with our correct password. Please verify your account. Or maybe it was the last email, so I haven't verified yet. Okay, now it has been verified. Let's check that. Let's query. Yeah, we've been verified. So let's log in here. Okay, there we go. And also we see that as soon as we log in, our session has started, and we have exactly 5 minutes to before our session logs out. So let's try to do that quickly. So what do we want to show first? Okay, let's create an album first. Let's put it album 1. Let's choose a file. Let's say I had some examples here somewhere. Okay, here. Let's just use that. So we can successfully create an album. Also, if we query the albums, we see that now we have one album in there. Let's close this, and if we go inside the album, we can add photos in the album. Let's choose a file. Let's say sample picture, and title, let's say photo 1. Hit submit, and we have the photo there. Okay, let's show how we can change the description of the photo. So we see photo 1 treated at, and if we go to update photo, we can put, let's say, new title, new description, and I don't know, tag 1, update, and we can see the new tag, the new title, and the new description. So let's go back to the album. Now if we want, we can go ahead and delete the photo, and we just deleted the photo. I want to see how much time we have in the session. Okay, how about 2 minutes still? So now what else? Delete photo, cancel account, I'll do at the end. So delete album, let's say. So let's go to the home and create a new album. Album 2, let's say, and choose a thumbnail. Let's choose this one. And now for the album tool, let's go ahead here and okay, let's add photos also. Um, and let's say whichever photo one, submit. And we see that we have an album with a photo, and when we hit delete album, this has a cascade effect in the as a cascade delete in the relational database, in the SQL database, so it deletes the album and all the photos inside it. Let's see how much time we have left, a bit more than a minute. So yeah, I guess we can see that if we go to photo, for instance, there is nothing because we just deleted both the album too and the photo that was inside it. And let's see if we go home. We still have a bit more than a minute left in our session before it closes. So I think we went over pretty much everything. So create album, modify it. I guess we can just go ahead and create a picture just for when we delete our user. And it's, I don't know, photo one, submit. Let's see, we're almost closing in on the session limit. This video is gonna be a bit longer than the second one I'm gonna do on NoSQL because I want to show how the session times out. And so I have to wait the 5 minutes. But in the other one, now that we see that it works, I'll just go through the functionalities and it won't be that long. So apologies for that. So let's see, we go home. Okay, so we have 2 seconds more. So right now we're just over the 5 minutes. So if we press any functionality, let's say create album, we see that your session has expired. So please log in again. So we can log in once again with our credentials, log in. And now finally to finish, we see that we have one album and one picture inside it. And I will delete the user. So it takes us back to the login. And we can see now in our tables, if we select from user, there is nothing. If we select from album, there's also nothing. And if we select from photo, there is also nothing. So everything has been successfully deleted.